Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to change the default shutdown option in Alt and F4 on Windows 11, 10. Open Registry with administrative privileges. Create new Dword 32-bit value named as Start Power Button Action. Value data for restart. Press Alt and F4 keys. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.